2020 need to just pull over and let me the hell out. I'ma walk. I know that we're all on self-isolation and quarantine right now, but don't forget to check in with your friends and family and just see how they're doing, see what's up. Look at the little baby. He's sleeping. Oh, you sleeping? Oh, I love you. Oh my god, you're so cute. Are you so cute? What's up, you guys? It's Christina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well despite all the crazy shit that's happening in the world right now. I'm just gonna say it because we're all thinking it, but what the f is going on right now? But I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and taking care of yourselves, keeping yourselves entertained. I don't know if you noticed, but I haven't uploaded anything this month at all on my channel, but I've been very active on Instagram, especially stories. I'm on there every single day trying to keep you guys entertained and hanging out, but I just felt really weird. I just haven't been feeling myself this month, especially with everything going on. I feel like it adds to all the stress and anxiety, and I just mentally wasn't there to film anything, so I apologize for that, but I thought I would just sit down and chat with you guys today. Sorry, I'm toning my face. And just kind of catch you up on life, you know, what I've been up to this month. I do work from home, so this isn't that much of a difference being in quarantine and stuff. But it's just boring, you know? But I'm not gonna lie, it's getting to me a little bit, especially this week. I'm just applying some skincare before I get into my makeup. I'm putting on the Dermalogica Age Bright Clearing Serum. I've talked about this so many times. This is a new bottle because I've already gone through, I think this is my third bottle, but I use this every night on my skin, but I didn't do my skincare last night, so I'm doing it this morning under makeup. Now I'm gonna put on my favorite moisturizer. Oh, this stuff is so good, you guys. You have no idea. I've talked about this before. This is the DHC Olive Virgin Oil Essential Cream. Super thick moisturizer, but it goes amazing under makeup, especially if you have dry skin. I actually load it on at night too when I'm done with my skincare. This is like my last step, just to like seal in the moisture because my skin is so dry right now with this stupid weather. It helps my skin so much when it's dry like this, to the point where my skin like almost starts cracking or forming eczema when it gets so dry. So I've been using this and it's literally been saving my skin. I'm gonna mix these two shades of Born This Way foundation. This is Ivory and Vanilla, because I don't know what freaking shade I am right now. I'm not self-tanning because what's really the point? Well, I mixed them and it's still not my shade. That's okay. I'll just blend it down my neck. What have you guys been up to though? Like if you're staying at home, not working, how are you keeping yourself entertained? Oh, by the way, if you guys didn't know, that's my 100K plaque that came in. Woo! I'm so excited about it. Gotta figure out where to hang it or if I just want to leave it there. But yeah, just like a little proud moment for me. My little plaque. All thanks to you guys. So I officially stopped watching the news because it just kept making me more sad and sad, especially this morning when I saw that the US is now #1 in coronavirus cases, which is insane. Well, it's not surprising, honestly, but it's still really sad and crazy. Just adding some concealer on my dark spots, which sometimes show through my foundation, but I'm so excited. My scars are almost gone. The new ones that I got a few months ago on this side are fading so fast. I've been using a ton of vitamin C, retinol, and I've done 2 chemical peels a few weeks ago, which helped a lot. By the way, the concealers that I'm using are the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. If you like the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, then you'll love this, but this is better because it's not as drying and like thick, but it gives you the same amount of coverage as the Tarte Shape Tape. It's just not as drying. I feel like with the Tarte Shape Tape, why I stopped using it is because it would dry so fast, so you'd have to blend out so quickly and it would kind of cling to any dry patches that I had. So that for me was like no. And then when this came out, I fell in love and I've been using it ever since. Let's see, what are my plans for today? I think I'm gonna do some TikToks since I'm gonna have makeup on. I'm gonna put it to some good use and do some TikToks. Those are fun. I'm trying to learn a few dances, which have been really hard actually. Like the dances on there will make you sweat. So I'm trying to figure out at least one dance to do. And then I will probably clean, because there's nothing really to do besides film, clean, eat, sleep. Like, what am I supposed to do? I don't know. I haven't worked out yet. Maybe I will tonight. That's also in my plan, is to do at least like a 20-minute workout today. I deep cleaned my kitchen the other day, my fridge, my pantry, like all my cabinets, my living room. There's really not much left for me to deep clean besides like maybe my closet and my clothes and like go through all that. So I've been seeing a lot of people doing puzzles to keep busy, which is a really good idea. I really want to order like one of those big 1,000-piece puzzles to do. So I got a new setting spray. This is the Makeup Forever Light Velvet Air. And I want to try it out right now. Oh, that is very nice. Mist. Oh, that smells good. Oh, Shine Control Refreshing Spray. So that's nice. That was really nice. Since I've been doing a lot of decluttering and like organizing, I thought about filming like a video on cleaning and organizing and decluttering my beauty room. Let me know if you guys would want to see that, because I am going to do it this week. I personally like watching organizing and decluttering videos because it motivates me to clean and organize my shit, but it also is kind of satisfying to watch. So let me know if you guys would want to see something like that. So you guys know how much I love my Hoola bronzer. I use it every time I do my makeup. I'm trying to find something new to use. This isn't new, but I just pulled this out. It's the Filmstar Bronze and Glow palette from Charlotte Tilbury. This shade though, right here, incredible for contouring. It's the perfect shade of cool tone to contour with. So what I do is I take this on like a brush, somewhat slimmer than a fluffy brush. This is a Laura Mercier brush, and it like sits perfectly in my cheekbone. I also always put bronzer on my eyelids. I've been doing this since high school, I think. Let me know if you do this too, but it's just like such an easy way to give yourself some color on your eyes. I really wanted to try this out when this came out. This is the new NARS Hot Fix Cheek Palette. I forget what collection it's a part of, but it's definitely new. This highlighter is so pretty if you have a tan. I mean, I might use it because I bronzed a lot, but it's a very pretty gold. And then you have like the prettiest apricot peach bronzy blushes. Oh, so I've been dying to try this out. This shade right here is shimmery, so I think I'll do this one with a little bit of this one. Man, I've been going crazy with my blush lately. Just basically putting it everywhere and anywhere on my freaking face. And sometimes I like to put blush on my eyelids as well to kind of pull everything together. Okay, let's try this highlighter because it looks so good. Let me zoom you in. Let me give you a nice swatcheroo. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Okay, hopefully this isn't too dark. Oh, it's nice and pigmented. It looks nice. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. Do you guys see this? It's such a beautiful gold. It kind of reminds me of Champagne Pop, and it's going on so smooth. You know what? Let's just put it everywhere. Okay, we're just gonna ignore my brows today because I can't. Did you hate having like a piece of lint or hair somewhere? You can't find it, but you know it's there because it won't stop itching. Oh my gosh, what the heck? For my eyes, I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm just gonna do the black shade and maybe the white shade. I'm just gonna do like a wing. So I can't remember the last time I used liquid eyeliner. Like what? I probably don't even have any anymore, but I honestly can't remember the last time I used liquid liner. Like if I ever do liner, I'll use black eyeshadow. I just find it looks so much better and softer, and it's just so much easier. That's what I've been doing. Oh my god, if you guys have Disney Plus, you have to watch the movie Three Men and a Little Baby. And then the second one, which is Three Men and a Little Lady. Oh my god, the cutest movies I've seen in a long time. It reminds me, like the vibe reminds me of It Takes Two. You know, that old school movie with Lindsay Lohan? So cute. By the way, I've been giving away a bunch of new makeup on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me there. I just really felt like giving back, especially at a time like this where a lot of us are struggling financially, and I figured that it would help in some way to kind of take your mind off things, play with some new makeup. So all you have to really do is just be active on my page. So like, comment, and follow me, obviously. But yeah, I just have been sliding into people's DMs and sending them a bunch of makeup that I have. Obviously all brand new makeup. So I'm gonna do my mascara right now. This is Buxom Mascara. You guys should already know this. This one has been my go-to for I think a year now. It's been a long time since I've been using this, but it's bomb if you haven't tried it. And this is why I love this mascara. Look at that. So good. Okay, so this is MAC Stripdown. I'm sorry, I'm gonna do a nude lip today. Actually, I'm not sorry because this is who I am. So these glosses also came in the collection with this cheek palette. These are the NARS Loaded Lip Lacquers, and I think I'm gonna do this lighter shade called Playin Around. Honestly, I feel like if I were to describe myself in a makeup look, this would be it. Like, this is me in a makeup look. Oh, that's nice. You guys should see how many nudes I have. To me, they're all different, but every time I try a new nude, I'm like, damn, this one is the best one. And then I look at my drawer and I'm like, no wait, this one is the best nude. This is really nice. It's not like as shiny or glossy as like a regular lip gloss, but it also feels like it feels so soft and not sticky. Oh. This smells really good. That is the finished makeup look. So that is it for today's video, but I do have another video that's gonna go up tomorrow. The video is going to be on how I give myself the perfect blowout at home. Super easy, and no, it's not with the $500 Dyson. It's a lot cheaper than that, so I hope you guys are excited for that. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video as well. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. I definitely feel more inspired to film more videos for you guys, so let me know what you want to see next in the comments, whether you want to see the decluttering my beauty room video or another makeup tutorial or a day in a life video, quarantine edition. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.